Alright guys, we're back over at Resurrection Church today, and we're going to check this out here. Obviously somebody had a good time smashing this, probably with a bat or a stick or something, but I'm going to have to see what the make and model of this is. These lights are important. According to the guy, put them up like 15 years ago, but have to see. There might be something like a bit of a standard for this. I'm not sure, so I'm going to open it up and try to carefully clean out the glass so it doesn't fall down and anybody gets cut. So I'm going to go grab my gloves and stuff. Oh, you gotta love people. That's really nice. We got one in stock there right on the bottom, so I'm going to see if I can pull that and just install that. It'd be a lot easier than going out trying to find a lens, and the cost is good. I'll show you what else we got going on today. This ladies and men's room, this takes a lot of wear and tear. Some people ask, oh, why do they have bars on? Well, people came over here and tried to rip all the copper core, all the cores out and destroyed, so they had to put this up. Crazy, but somebody's been noticing at nighttime when they ride by that the lights are still on in here. Now right now you can see that they are off. But I walk in and then they come on. So I'm gonna clean the sensor up here and also clean that fan shroud a little bit. How filthy that is. It needs a good cleaning. That's looking a lot better, a lot cleaner. Should be good to go. There wasn't the motor's looking pretty good, so I made sure to give this thing a really clean, tapped it a little bit just in case there's any dust or anything in that sensor. So I think we're looking good. Unfortunately, I had to back off, relieve that downspout a little bit, just to have clearance to even open that up in there. So that's been accomplished now. I guess I'll get it back together there without a lot of problem. Now we can finally fully open up that. Finally got that open. Should be an easy matter. Just to got one centering screw there, and we have that. That's really the main hold right there. So we're gonna pop that off, and which shouldn't be difficult at all. Just wanted to clean that wall up a little bit. I got the new unit sitting there, and I was telling one of the parish council people who's coming by, yeah, you got to get stuff replaced fast, because if one thing is broken, that just makes it kind of a field day for people that want to break stuff. Looks like we got company. We've got an assistant today. Woo! Got the new back plate installed. Just have to make our connections up there, and we should be pretty good to get the hinge side on and get this baby put to bed. All installed. I'm wrestling with this downspout now. They don't pay me enough for this, right? Get that back in position. That should be it today. There is the finished product today. Like it never even happened, right? I just hope nobody busts these. They're about 170 bucks per shot for these. I did get the downspout back on nicely. So like it never happened. If you're not subscribed, please like and subscribe. And hit the bell for all notifications. Always doing interesting stuff. And my passion is always to make things like new. Thanks for watching, everybody.